and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and on this channel I like to share about all things natural, so low-tox living, essential oils, natural DIYs. If that sounds like the kind of content you're interested in, I hope you'll subscribe and become part of my community here on YouTube. I also share a lot of content like this over on Instagram. You can find me there at essentially.tanya. So what I'm going to be sharing today is two different eye care recipes. So the first one we're going to make is an eyelash serum. I think everyone wants those nice full eyelashes. Some of us are fortunate enough to be born with long eyelashes. Some of us have to work a little harder to get them. But I have a super simple DIY to share that really helps as far as lash growth. So we're going to go ahead and get into making it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an empty mascara tube. You can get these off of Amazon. They're not very expensive, and I'll have the ones I'm using linked down in the description box. You do want it to obviously have the wand on it because you're going to need that to apply the eyelash serum. And I'm going to go ahead and get my funnel in because I will spill this all over the place otherwise. So we're going to start off with putting in our castor oil. We're going to fill this container about halfway through full with castor oil. So that'll be about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons. But basically just half of your container. And castor oil is a thicker oil, so it does take a little bit for it to get kind of going in there. Castor oil is great for hair growth, so great for your eyelashes. If you're trying to grow out your eyebrows, you can use it for that as well. It's great for your hair. Separately, it's also a great ingredient for soap making because it causes lather. So it's a pretty versatile oil. So I got that a little more than half full, but I think we'll still be good here. So next we're going to add in argan oil. I'm sure you've heard of the benefits of using argan oil for hair growth. So we're going to do about 1/2 teaspoon of that. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E. And I just eyeball everything. It's all good with the measurements here. Alright, so we have all of our oils in. So now we're going to go ahead and get our essential oils in. So we're going to do 2 drops rosemary. Rosemary is great for hair health. We're going to do 2 drops cedarwood. It also has a lot of great hair benefits, hair growth benefits. And then 2 drops lavender. Lavender's really soothing. It'll help balance out the scent of the rosemary and cedarwood. And lavender is also good for things related to your skin and hair as well. And that is all there is to it. So you just put your wand back in. So just give it a shake and you're going to apply it to your lashes. You can do it before you go to bed at night. Of course, making sure you're not getting it in your eyes. You could also use it as a primer, so put it on before you put your mascara on, and that'll not only help with the lash growth, but it will also help keep your mascara on better. This same serum you can also apply to your eyebrows. If you're needing your eyebrows to fill in a little more, it'll help with that as well. Okay, now for our second recipe, we're going to be doing an under eye roller. So we all want to make sure we're, trying to minimize or diminish or just stop getting those fine lines and wrinkles we tend to all get around our eyes as we get older. This is a great preventative measure to keep those wrinkles from forming, as well as just, if you already have them, just help diminish them as much as possible. So in my 10 milliliter roller bottle here, I'm going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full with evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil is great for aging skin. If you don't have this oil, then some other great carrier oils that you can use would either be sweet almond oil or jojoba oil or rosehip oil. All of those would be great in this roller as well. If I can open it. There we go. So as I said, I'm just going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full. There we go. And then I'm just going to add in a little vitamin E. This vitamin E has a lot of great skin benefits. It's an antioxidant. It helps with anti-aging. So great to add into your skincare. And then as far as essential oils, we're going to do 8 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is kind of considered the fountain of youth oil. It's great for all things skin, especially for working on fine lines and wrinkles. So a great one to add into this roller. Now frankincense is a more expensive oil, so if you don't have frankincense, some other more budget-friendly options that you could use is you could do elemi and you could do myrrh. They're related to frankincense, but they're not as expensive. So we're going to do 8 drops of frankincense. And then we're going to do 7 drops of lavender. So lavender is very soothing to the skin. It also helps with those fine lines and wrinkles as well as redness, anything like that. So also great one to add into all of your skincare. Plus, who doesn't love lavender? And what is also really nice about this roller is both frankincense and lavender are also really good for sleep support, so that you could not only use this under your eyes, but you could also like put it on your temples or down your back at night to help with sleep support. There we go. Now we're just gonna pop our top back on. And this bottle, I think the color of it's super cute. I got it from Whimsy and Wellness. I do have an affiliate link with them that gets you 10% off. I always have that down in my description box. So if you want to get a discount on any of their products, just use that code down below. Alright, so I got my roller top on. We give it a shake. And you just roll it on to apply. I would do it beside and then underneath, just like that. And you can do this twice a day. Do it in the morning and night, or just do it with your evening skincare routine. And it really, as I said, it definitely helps diminish as well as prevent those fine lines and wrinkles. So that's it for our eye care recipes today. I hope you enjoyed seeing both of these recipes and that you give them a try. If you do give them a try, let me know how you liked them. Just leave me a comment down below. And if there is anything else that you would like to see a natural DIY of, or if there's any essential oil topics that you're interested in that you would like me to do a video on, you can leave that down below as well. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Take care, and until next time.